I'm Lucas Valentine. I'm a junior in sustainable food and farming, and I work at UMass Student Farm. I'm the greenhouse manager here. So basically, we come in on Mondays, we go through everything that we need to do for the week, and I give a rundown of what we need to seed, if we need to fish anything, and what comes out of the greenhouse. So that could look like counting how many trays we have. We have different size trays, determining what we need to thin and transplant, so we make sure we have one seed per cell, and making sure everything looks good and ready to go in the field. It's hard to say not. The free vegetables, definitely good thing to have. Cuts down your grocery bill for sure, and always fresh, organic. Nowhere better to get them. I think it's got to be carrots, even though it's not very fun harvesting them. Taste great, and the funky ones are definitely funny, and the two-legged ones. Yeah.